Hello, I'm Ahmed from SEEDA 3D Printing Solutions, and this is the Sinterit LISA desktop SLS printer. Sinterit is a Poland-based manufacturer which has dedicated itself to break all barriers with regards to SLS 3D printing. In doing so, they have developed and released two amazing SLS 3D printers in the market, which are the LISA and the LISA Pro. The Sinterit LISA is what we call a tabletop SLS printer, simply because it fits on the average desk, which is not the case with an industrial SLS printer. Parts that are printed using SLS technology are still the most wanted within the spectrum of 3D printing technology. This is because SLS printed parts have great mechanical properties and very high service quality, which equal casted plastic parts. As such, SLS printed parts have a wide range of applications, from prototyping to tooling to even end-use products. But industrial-grade SLS printers require a large footprint and a high budget to implement in your company. And a smaller, more affordable SLS printer, such as Sintratec or the Formlabs Fuse or even the VIT by Natural Robotics, have never proven themselves to be reliable. Even worse, they have been postponing release to the market because technical malfunctions keep happening. Nevertheless, with determination, Sinterit actually has been able to release an award-winning desktop SLS printer with print quality that has even drawn the attention of larger SLS industry leaders such as EOS and HP. The Sinterit LISA has a build volume of 150 x 200 x 150 mm, and the LISA Pro has a build volume of 150 x 200 x 250 mm. Both systems are equipped with a reliable 5-watt diode laser and have a low powder consumption thanks to the relatively small XY service plane. Unique to the LISA Pro is the additional nitrogen chamber, which enables users to manufacture with a wider range of plastics. The LISA has an intuitive display on the front of the machine, which guides the user through preparation, manufacture, and after manufacturing processes. The Sinterit LISA comes with a powder sieve and a sandblasting unit at an additional price, which are great tools for user-friendliness and speeding up the entire SLS manufacturing process. Each LISA model comes with a license for the Sinterit Studio software, which can be installed on multiple PCs and guides the user to prepare the 3D model for manufacturing easily through 4 simple steps. After repeatedly winning the Best Desktop SLS Printer award handed out by All3DP, the Sinterit LISA has become the icon of desktop SLS 3D printing. At SEEDA, we have a good knowledge of the Sinterit LISA and SLS manufacturing, which we use to ensure the highest uptime of your equipment. I hope you enjoyed this introduction about the Sinterit LISA SLS 3D printers. If you would like to receive more information on these models, or if you would like to plan a visit to our showroom for expert advice, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.